question is how long or how far can your business go if you don't have that data? If all of a sudden your QuickBooks data was wiped out and you no longer had it, well, that means I probably can't invoice my clients very easily. I don't know what I'm invoicing my clients for at this point. I don't even know who my clients are. So, at that point, it's stopping me from the ability to generate invoices and make money. So that's going to be a problem. So you want to make sure that that data is backed up probably all the time, maybe daily. But the business is going to have to dictate that. For us, we recommend daily backups at the minimum across all of your systems. So that's your Office 365, which by the way does not do backups by default. So that's your responsibility. Your server or your SharePoint data, your OneDrive data, Google Drive data, all of that needs to be backed up on a regular basis, at least daily, in my opinion. And in some times where it's more critical, maybe even hourly. And then secondly, if you really require those systems to be up on online all the time, it's good to have some kind of standby equipment waiting or just sitting there in the event. So let's say that you have a critical server running your ERP software. If that system is so critical to your business that you can't operate if it's down, then having a secondary server with a restored copy of your backup sitting on it in the event that I need to spin that up. So for example, let's say that that server crashes or gets a malware event or whatever. I can shut down that server. I can power up the other server, start my backup, and I am back in business within, maybe a couple of hours. And that might be the type of recovery that some businesses need. And it just really depends on your business, how critical that data is to you, and can you operate without it? Those are going to be, once those business questions are answered, we can craft a more eloquent backup solution and restore system, and that's going to work for your business. But I would make sure that daily is a minimum.